Lagos, welcome inside PSO's Papi Sold Out Show. Your humble host, Papi, today here live. So, I first things first, bring Jotter. Thank you for coming on top of Wazobia FM.
Thank you.
Yeah. How you did?
I did all right. I did very fine. Everywhere.
Your beers never still join.
So,
All the cream where I send you, the beers know they align.
No, see.
Have you aligned?
No, they align for house.
Okay. When you come outside, you go not disappear.
I don't know how it's in this one.
Now, as content creator, will you be? You get some kind of honest questions where I will ask you. Brain Jotter. When your contents, when you do them, and it's not really funny, how you dey cope? Do you delete them or you just buy views?
So first thing we say, I understand say Nigerians not really send your papa like
yes.
that. So they clear you waiting in their mind.
FC
understand?
People.
They go clear you waiting. So before you go even let them clear you clear yourself. So you get some content we know really funny, but them no stupid like that. So if you just say, okay, make I just let this one out. But you get some we know, Baba, you know say this thing not really not funny at all. Those ones you cannot let them go out because if you go out, Nigerians go tell you a piece
of their mind.
Talking
about a piece of their mind. And I know say things they go down inside the comment section. A lot of things are happening. Crazy things are happening.
No more.
How you take the manage negativity for comment section?
Well, you need to understand say no be everybody not suppose like you on a normal soft.
So you supposed get that one for mine first.
So you go first acknowledge that one first. If you never acknowledge that one, then I don't know what you do. So when you probably see a lot of nice comments, then you see one hate, you go be like, normal soft. But when majority na hate comments, then you need to readjust. But if I evaluate and I see probably 80% probably positive comments and then 20% hate comment, now win now. So
Bring Jotter.
Normal.
Every system for this life, they always get their own cankerworm. Let me put it that way. Some day on the low, some day very, very obvious. And the one will be say they on the low for your own field among your colleagues. Now waiting, most people the term sex for roles.
Okay.
So I would like ask you, what be you as senior bra? What you be for the game? What be your advice for aspiring female content creators when they face this kind of situation? What be your advice for them?
When they face the situation for sex for roles?
Yeah. I know so sometimes
make I bust your head. Make I bust your
head. No, Buster, I want to use this head for another time.
So basically, some ladies, it's actually, if this thing now go pain some people, but it should be said, some ladies go actually hit you up with the vibe of I would do anything. You get me? Yeah. They go hit you up with that vibe, say, just I would do anything. You get me? Meanwhile, some other guys where they do sex for roles and stuff like that. So me, I don't really know what's in their motive be. I don't really know what's in their benefit because person we not really sabi act or we not really sabi deliver lines or whatever. If you put that person out there, you go meet Nigerians who go tell you a piece of their mind. You get me? So if anybody tell you something like sex for roles and stuff, that means you not really get. That means you not really get any value, and most of the times it doesn't really help anybody. You get me? So, but what I want to make you understand. Be say, we get too many desperate actors, not just the women. You get me? So we get too many desperate actors, and that's more reason why the whole sex for roles thing be like waiting. They really shake body. They look like waiting one end or something because people keep hitting you up with the whole. You go tell person play the role of house girl. She won't open her breast and stuff.
Try.
You get me? So a lot of these people
keep it clear. I know you see a lot of things. Morning radio.
Okay, we there radio.
No, okay, it isn't a podcast. So, but you mentioned something. Why you they answer the question? You say some they come with the vibe naturally.
Exactly.
If woman give you that vibe naturally, what do you go do?
So me now.
No, nobody did it. Now you and your keyboard.
No, so basically now me and my DM. So one thing, if you watch my videos, you go mostly noticing that the same set of people are the mostly used. You get me?
Okay, because you don't answer them.
No, like
For
the actors where they
Urge.
use. So not be me they even cast. You
Okay.
get me? So me now, they piss me off.
Hmm.
Do you understand? Say you come with that vibe, they piss me off basically. So for that reason, not be me they really cast for my stuffs.
Does it mean that there's someone there, right there, in your heart, that's making it piss you off? Is that a
Normal stuff.
miss?
Normal stuff.
A round of applause. It's gotta boo. It's gotta be. Now, looking into your history,
Yeah.
you get strong hand in stand-up comedy.
Exactly.
But not many people know this one because say initially it go get what they take first know you, and some people they very, very, I don't want to use the Oyinbo dogmatic. They don't want to just adjust to the fact that this guy says we do other things too. They go on just stand there and say no, not only content creating. I remember when I was in the UK. I think I used to beg me for stand-up comedy in the Comedy Central in the UK. Why are you laughing now? What's funny?
Normal stuff.
Not be
last year I just traveled go to UK. If
not be me buy the tickets. You dey hear the guy. You know they follow this management. What's the management name? So it gets something where people don't really know. Say you dey cook, but it's very special.
yes, so
Make I just give you a few seconds of fame. Make just promote yourself.
yes, so thank you.
And
for
when
the
you are done with
privilege.
this,
Thank you.
when
for
you
the
are done, you
privilege.
make our marketing people. You have to settle them.
No wahala. Thank you for the privilege. We not they really see this kind of opportunity. So, ladies and gentlemen, for those who don't really know, say we they do stand up for the first time.
And you are sitting down.
I'm standing up. I don't need that.
Please stand up.
I don't need that.
Now stand up comedy. So you have to stand up and explain.
If I stand up, they're not going to hear me now. So, ladies and gentlemen, I didn't need that talk this one. So, for those who don't know, say we do stand up, we're having our first show ever in Abuja, Transcorp Hilton.
A round of applause for him.
I'm gonna clap now. May 25th. It's titled Outside the Box. So it's more like outside my normal content creation box. We won't do stand up. So there on I go feel judge on the spot instead of coming for comment section to talk say, you understand? So I feel just tell me say waka on the spot, you know. You understand?
If you don't throw your slippers.
Exactly.
Anything where they see.
Anything where your mind. Yeah. So May 25th, Transcorp Hilton, Abuja. Get your tickets. The flyer there on my Instagram. Man, I love you. Thank you. No.
A round of that's we're going to still talk about this in detail because I would like even actually ask you, according to you, any major striking difference there between content creating and stand-up comedy?
There a lot of difference now. A whole lot of difference. A stand-up comedian doesn't necessarily might not necessarily do content.
This your English. I don't understand.
I know. Okay, ma talk away. A content creator fit do stand-up, and a stand-up comedian fit create content.
In other words, you are blessed when you fit do the two.
Now, Grace, I know.
A round of applause. Celebrate Grace, please. Celebrate Grace. Celebrate Grace, please.
Grace.
Among all the plenty colleagues of yours within this industry, who you go tag or who you go term, well, like 2 or 3, who you enjoy and they're comfortable to work with as fellow content creator?
Right, they comfortable to work.
And content and convenience, stress-free, ideas go to flow. Like, who's your best pal for that content creating world?
Okay, I get Nasboy.
Okay.
Yeah, if I deal with Nasboy, now person will say if I dey talk, sometimes you go on explain something, but you go know how you go take place am. So him, the quick grab.
Okay, that means he's smart person. You don't really get sense like that. And they call you brain jotter. That's the irony of life.
Things that happen for this life.
It shocked me too. I'm shocked.
Yeah, so I get brain jotter. I get. See, say this.
The brain is not really working. It's just a
fluctuate. Yeah, so I get Nasboy.
Yeah.
I fit call. So everybody gets their where if I need this thing, I they call this person. So if I need ideas on branding, I they call this person. If I get creative block, I they call Nasboy. So in terms of branding and then probably it's more like everybody just get their role, but most of the times for content ideas, when I want to share my ideas, I they call more of Nasboy.
And when you need promo, you call Papito. How your education be?
Me?
Like you go in lag, abi?
I know buku.
What you study?
No buku. Business administration. I'm brilliant, bro.
Which one be brilliant, bro? Not by mouth. Not by mouth. Why you can't?
Not by mouth.
What did you finish with? That
Me?
class?
I never finished. Not the problem with that. You say when that time we.
How person will no book no go finish the book? That's
No, I never finish. I still they study the book. The book I don't want to leave on. I did my final year shot for you. They like.
How
are you managing your education together with your business?
People they feel say content creating every minute you did do one thing or the other. You get. So most of the times our work our head they like thinking be our work. You get me. So yeah, and so we they get content from anywhere. So school at the firstly the thing where they make me make them easy for me. We say if I they go my school I they study but yet I they see how I want to get content from my school. That's why if you watch some of my videos I they do school content. You get me. So now the way I they manipulate them thereby I they go school like say okay make I go get content from school then study alongside. You understand? Yeah.
For WhatsApp here, person they ask us say ask Brain Jotter how they make him money.
As a content creator, you get where you go reach. Brands go begin to reach out for adverts. If you work hard, you go feel monetize your platforms. If you work hard, nobody say once you become content creator, then you can monetize. If you work hard, they get criteria. If you meet the criteria, you monetize them. Then you feel they go for shows if you get talent to handle shows and stuff like that. So money they come small.
All right, so I will give opportunity to any of our fans inside of the studio. Anyone, you can raise your hand for identification so we can help you in the situation.
You can ask about the show if you want to ask about the show.
Talking about the show, you want also give us more update concerning every the lineup. I mean, what's be the stress, the workload, the major ingredient of putting up a successful show? I know one of which is to come on Wazobia FM episode out in the process, but continue.
Okay, so for the show, say that my first one. So
a round of applause. So let's encourage. Let's encourage. It's not that easy. Let's encourage him. It's not that easy like that.
Now, like my first show, so I'm trying as much as possible to put everything in place. So for this particular show,
so everything is scattered like this.
Everything go first scatter, then you go arrange it.
Okay.
No, that's how they do the show. No one soft. So because I'm my first show, I try put everything in place. I bring likes of them: Shaggy, Lasisi, Kiki, Romeo, Nas Boy, myself, and a lot of others. So yeah. So and then the stress of, bringing this whole people. Now just love make them come. If not, how much you understand? Now love for their fans and for myself and for Abuja people. Now why all this?
Why you not do for Lagos? Why did you run to Abuja first?
Jehovah.
This is the problem. I don't know who's advising you, man. I don't know, man. What I'm saying.
So basically, we still in Nigeria now. We still did in Nigeria, if at all. So if they say I can't go outside Nigeria now, you go say why you do it for Nigeria.
All right. Bring Jotter one more time. We say thank you for coming on top of the PSOS Papi Spending. A round of applause to Bring Jotter in the building. Part of all the things we didn't talk. One particular content will touch me the most. Yes, because you see the content creating environment or industry or space now, they really choke. Okay, you understand? Yeah. So and they highly competitive, very very competitive.
Yeah,
but it could get some kind of content where you say you could just touch, you could just stand out. For you, the one way stand out. Even though at the end of the day you still do advert on top of them. Now the one way you take the time out to show love for one hospital like that.
Yeah, okay.
How important it is for you to give back in this time with the economic goes. Me for one, that content not tearjerker. It just made me want drop one or two. I know my head so I don't want to talk about time before, but
talk now my head goes swell.
All right, so basically that content really touched me, and yes, the honesty, the transparency in that content, it makes sense. But really, how important it is, and how, because sometimes people they say I'm a show off.
Well, say that one are like one out of a lot others. Do you understand? So
But that was the most recent way you post.
the most recent.
Now that one be the most recent way
So
you post.
that's to tell you that we don't post a lot others. Do you understand? So the reason why I post this one are to just tell them, okay, why we did carry out this stuff. So this particular one, so for me, I think most of the times, I think giving to me now the only way where I feel use payback. You get me? So I think that's more reason why I'm just giving. Do you understand? Yeah. In as much as some people go make you almost want to regret giving, but yeah, I think I'm not doing it for them. I'm doing it for the betterment of my own self, and it's a mood of giving back. So you get some people who say you go give, and then if you give person something, they go just say thanks.
That's it. You get one content where
now waiting make me do that stuff. Say a lot of people know they very appreciative. So me, I feel just they drive for road, see person they hawk or see anything. I feel like gratitude for me is why I'm giving. You get me? Yeah. So not everybody get that sense of gratitude, but you not really concern me. So
because they're really saying their papa like that.
Big shout out to everybody to watch my content. Big love. Thank you very much for watching my content. I love you guys, and everybody where they comment, good or bad. Thank you.
Who are you dating?
I love you.
Who are you dating?
On the next show, talk about that.
Chookmouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.